Alright, alright, so we are live. So tonight we'll be doing our 30 days challenge as well. Like we need to do two of the problems in order to get back on track, as we did not do much last night. And just a minute, could you? Sad. Okay, okay, okay. All right. Mm-hmm. Let's go to the site. Rank. Login. All right. Here we are. So we have completed 29 out of 115 challenges solved in entire Python library, and we gotta do the minion game and merge the tools, which I'm not gonna do today. I'll be doing it in this week, but not now. So first things and foremost, we gonna go to the 30 days of code. How many we have to do right now? We need to do two. Okay. They will expand our knowledge. Mm. Today we will expand our knowledge. Today we will expand our knowledge of strings, combining it with what we already learned about loops. Got the tutorial tab for learning materials and an instructional video. We'll see whether we can solve this without doing that. Otherwise, we'll go to that instead of going hopping into the discussions. Given a string s of length n that is indexed from 0 to n minus 1. N minus 1 is 1 less than n. Wait a second. So we're not taking the last one. Printed in. Okay, okay. So wait a minute. I think this is the code I typed in last night, and it did not return the thing we needed. It returned it as like this, which what it did is just it just took it as split it up, and for I in range of 0 to len of s plus 1, here is s is nothing but 2, and 0 to 1 plus 1 means just took len of 3, and like range of 3, and it did the loop 3 times, and it did not happen or do anything. It just printed the result, that is s of odd, that is these two, 1 2 1 and 2. All right, then it's better we go to the tutorial now. Dun, 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 dun. This is 30 minutes. All right. I don't want to do MATLABs. Why are we doing MATLABs again? Why are we doing MATLABs? Wait a minute, I don't want to do MATLABs. The fuck is this shit? Okay, characterization system output. This is to get the ASCII value. We don't need the ASCII value. Should we compare it to the ASCII value? No, that wait. To break a string into its component, you can use string to char array method. For example, okay, this is my string and char of my character array equals to okay. Mm, My character array. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, so you need to check exactly what is happening here in order to do that. But this is what we're gonna do this week. Like most probably, yeah, added some stuff. We just need to import a token. I'm looking at how to import a .env file. I just shown you guys on my token. Just leave it at that. Uh, so we need to go open recent. Mm, there it is. And extra file that is on 2/12/2024.py. Oh my soul. Okay, twice. No. Why does it have to split it? For I in range of t, so I in range of 2 is so it will run this twice. What if I bring this one out and bring this one out as well? Oh my soul. I'm gonna try the same over here. Done. And it says rank. Expected output is hacker rank. And it takes the input in the same line. Okay, first and foremost, you need to get the input in two lines separated, which we did somewhere. Hmm, here, input off, split off now. Oh, yeah, exactly, but, mm, but isn't it supposed to get, praise the Lord, oh my soul. Praise the Lord, oh my soul. Praise the Lord, oh my soul. I'm trying to survive. Right, let's try this one out. Oh, okay, so first is two, and it's still taking it as list. I think we shouldn't take this as a list at all. We need to know how to use the string in Python docs. all the time, so we can just do this once. Common string operations and that instruction and affairs constants described below. This value is not local dependent. String ASCII lowercase. This is not chain uppercase string digits, string x digits, string dot up digits, string dot punctuation, string dot printable, string dot white space. Custom. Mm-mm. So first things and foremost, we have to do the grammar for replacement field is as follows. So field name and conversion and okay, we are here in the formatter where we format pass, get field and everything is here. And the format is valid, substitute, save substitute, template, cap words. What is a cap word? Uh, this cap word split the arguments into words using str.split and each word using str capitals and join the capitalized words using str.join off. Mm, what if we do this? Instead of having it as a list, we'll just do something like close others and t equals to that's right t and for I in range or s in range of t range of t actually and s is gonna be we need to define s equals input of um, so s equals s dot split off should split it and now what we're gonna do for character value or si divided by 2 equals 0 s even dot append. Okay, I don't think that's a valid argument, right? How to check whether an index element, how to check whether index element is even or odd in Python. The generator is based on order event index exactly, right? And element, okay, okay. Enumerate. What does enumerate do? Enumerate in Python. Enumerate. Often, when dealing with iterations, we also need to keep account of it. Python eases the programmer's task by providing a built-in function enumerate for this task. The enumerate function adds a counter to an iterable and returns it in the form of an enumerating object. This enumerated object can then be used directly for loops or converted into a list of tuples using the list of function. So we don't need to have a list of, probably not sure. And what do we know? So enumerate, what does enumerate does? We need to check what does enumerate does. Mm, mm, S for index. S for index. S for index. Enumerate. S in enumerated one. Okay. Index S in enumerate of uh, okay, S in enumerator of L1. Enumerator of L1. Why do we have to have L1? Okay, so instead of L1, we can do something like, because it just takes L1 or L2. Because we don't have a list, we have a bunch of string, and that must be, something like, I'm not sure what. We don't have a list. We don't have a list. We don't have a fucking list. And enumerate gives us, okay. We need to get it as enumerate in S. Can't do that. We need to get S. Enumerate from S. For I F index divided by 2. How are we closing it? Just gonna leave it and then go for print. Nice. But I don't think we can do that, do we? Enumerate S and then a comma. Does that do that? No, it does not. And it's not for, it's enough. Print of S even equals is for index S and enumerate of S index not not index. Alright. If not index percent two, can't use enumerate like this. Expected about this? Now result equals s odd plus s even print of res rank and acre. That's because that came in second. I just written a fucking list. Just a fucking list. Nothing, no, nothing else is written. Right? All right. Okay. So index element of a string numbers. No, no. Index characters of string Python, yes, of course. So print of given string I. I'm gonna take this. Put this in your own taste. Now given string is not, and we're taking this out for storing in the okay, alright. Given string is gonna be just s, and it is gonna be s of I, and this is gonna be s of I as well, and result equals odd characters plus even characters, and t equals to int of input of for I in range of should be I in range of not sure for range of t s equals int of input of. Alright, what about it now? Invalid syntax range of hello. Oh, sorry. Mm, 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 mm. Oh fuck. Typing an int of input off is just, rubs on you. And sus all day, nobody that us. Oh, and it did something. It did something, but maybe length of s. Okay, so I know exactly what happened here. So this entire thing has to be inside so that we get proper acre and the next one. Okay, that is not how it should be. Mm, okay, let me put rank and then I did do that. And what is what's output is required in here? It's the we don't need to eliminate anything, and we are doing that as well. It's CE. Okay, first we need to add the even and then the odd characters plus odd characters, and print off has to be in a format of string of Buddy. Okay, almost there, almost there. So we're gonna add this in here and we're gonna run the code, which will return an error. Are we close though? It's EAKR. We are close, but it still expects as a string. Uh, Need to know list to string conversions, list to string conversion. Child of A, okay. So what we have to do is even characters equals dot, okay, join of even characters, and odd characters has to be joined as well. I have and then we're going to print our result equals even characters plus odd characters, and we're going to print out our result as well. Now let's try printing that out. Anchor. Okay. And it's run a is that because just go in a bit inside, maybe to anchor. Okay, rank. Okay, anchor and then run a now where we're gonna try this one out. I wanna prize. I'm gonna prize. Okay, our output is almost there. Now we need to format it, add a separation character. Separate equals one space. Let's just check. I don't think it's the right one to separate over there. Rank. Okay. Okay. Mm, it did not have a separation. What is the condition? It should have followed by a space. Even index characters followed by a space. Just add a space in here. And then remove this one out. Okay, anchor and a rank. Okay, now it's not even giving us. Then anchor rank. So okay. Waste.
भाई मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ मैं सबसे बड़ा चूतिया हूँ ना
Okay, we need to format it. No way.
तेरे को कोई फ्लैश मारना चाहिए पिक लेना
Nice one. Even characters plus odd characters. Nice one. Amaze balls. So we need to format it here. What will this even give though? Unmatched. Okay, sorry. What about this? Hacker rank. This is right, but the thing is, we need to have a little gap in here, but I can't add it in this because the string concatenation. Mm-hmm. All we need to have is how wall can I add a gap? Can I do this? So joining it like this. You can try joining it. Okay, this is not right, but mm, sort of why I have a concatenation. What if we do this? Put both of this in like this, and I have a join off, and then remove this entirely and just have a rest. What about this? Two, hacker. Okay, we can't have join off. Takes only one argument, which means that uh, oh fuck, oh fuck. Mm, okay, let's see. Mm, 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 mm. Let's say we have that like that, and then instead of having a separated, we'll just add uh, dot join of our hacker rag. Yeah, we are there, my friends. That is it, just a mild one. We're gonna use join off in here. So we can use join off in the print statement now. Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. So because okay, it works here, why not there? Is it because I just instead of concatenation I used a comma and then I did this. So I concatenated in the print statement. See, that is amazing. That's amazing, boys. That's amazing. Nobody did this. Did anyone did it for Python like that? We just used not, and for concatenation we use something else. Yeah. So what's next? So what is the problem? Problem.
Good night.
So today we will learn about the array data structure. Check out the tutorial for learning materials and instruction video. That is not gonna. Given an array A of n integers, print A's element in reverse order as a single line of space separated. Okay, that's easy. That's easy. So we are getting an array is already mapped up. So we need to print up array equals to array of -1, and that should reverse it. And I need to have a separation print of. We can join off error that should join it to. I'm just gonna give it a go. Okay, join of error can be in, but we can't have join. But instead, we can have a separate function. Separate equals. Okay, I can do that. Then my output is 2341 is because it's 2341 as well. But mine is list and I need to change it. How are we gonna do that? We did this here where did we convert anywhere? We converted somewhere. Mm, I did not convert, but instead we just printed out the characters. Okay. Mm, stop coding it here. We're gonna code it there. Ah, fuck. No, we don't need a copy. Recycle bin, of course. Ah, hell. Control C and a Control V. So should that 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I just got 1, 2, 3, 4 again. So because it's not the right way, but here I'm getting the output as 2, 3, 2, 4. Is it probably indented? It is indented. I'm just gonna put in 4. Input of list. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 1. Enter 1, 4, 3. Okay. Now I got it out. Feed the input. So that is 4. And our custom input has to be 1432. 1432. And we got 22341. But instead, we don't need a list. We don't need a list. We need to make it into a. Uh, string, no need string number format. Definitely not a formatting. So list conversions. Okay, here it is. Okay, so instead of printing, we need to add result equals ARR dot join off ARR. That should give print off result 41432. We can't join because expected str instance sequence item is 0. Exactly. Why is that? Why? Okay, is listener is now converting, getting elements out of an array Python. Can I pop? I don't want to remove it. I want to print it out. Conversions array to string conversion Python. Someone asked me to learn PHP back in the day, but I did not do it because such a drag. Join string of x for x and x's. Definitely not, because join of, for some reason, join of is not working. I can just use string of function and then join them, can I? I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna use string of. So ARR equals string of ARR, and in the print statement, I'm gonna use join off, where a single space is in join off ARR. That should give us 1, 4, 3, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, but still in a list form. I have no idea why does it. But why doesn't this give us a list? Is it because I didn't join it directly? It was having spaces. Should I join them with a space? That must make sense, but instead of making it a string, I'm just gonna try this. Let's see what we are getting. We already tried this, haven't we? 4, 3, 2. That type because sequence item 0 int found. Oh, okay. Holy shit, it's an int. It's not a string. We need to join a string. It's not a string. Int join Python and the list to string, a Python program to convert list to string, iterating each element, and list convert of list. No need of that. Can't join it because it's all int. I can't join it because it's all int. I can okay, convert of list. Can I do a convert of list? That's I'm just gonna use convert. Nothing as close to a convert of ARR. If we do a list of ARR, we may get something like 1, 4, 3, 2. We still get the list. I'm gonna change this into a list, and then I'm gonna print off I'm still gonna try this because the list now, join of ARR, that must give us something, something close. Not sure what we are gonna expect in it, but it still says it's an int. So we need to convert everything into string. Why don't we try ARR equals string of ARR? It's a huge process. 1432. So now it's a string print of ARR 41432. We got 2341, but it's still a list. I do not care. I'm just gonna put this in, get us as closely towards thing as possible. Run code. Okay, so now we need to pop them off of a list. Print the list, but without brackets. Sorry, I just came to a different website. Sorry, not a web browser for me. Print the list without brackets Python. Yes, sir. See, many people want to know this shit. That is why it's up top. Okay. So all we have to do is just keep print of ARR. It just okay. 1432. It still returns a fucking bracket, you moron. I want to print another. Okay, let's give the output. Okay. Oh, sorry, that's the question. I'm the fucking moron here. Assembly. Why do assembly and this piece of code does not work for the version? I attached the link only to credit assembly as I got this edit from the website. Okay. We might give it a try. Is that this is it, right? 4142. Now doesn't work at all. Just instead of the asterisk, we are getting one space. We will take that. The one space is good. And the fuck is this? Um, um, so I think we can only use this. Let's try this one out. So we did give join and we just want spawn. I just want things. 4142 and yes, I'm still getting the brackets. Look, I'm still getting the brackets. But that wasn't the case when I used it for string. I actually got proper strings. Okay, instead of having a join like this, how about this? 4142. Now we got it because I need an explanation. I definitely need an explanation for this. But for that, we will be going to fuck this chat GPT, where we will put this in. Explain this code. This is used to convert all the elements of a list into a single space string and print it. Okay, map function applies the string function. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, okay. I got it. Got it. So map function is used to map it. We will learn. We don't need this from the code, and it should be good to go. Gonna submit it. We got every text is good. That should be it. All right, then should we prepare? I told you we have to do the Python minion game, right? That I'll prepare tomorrow in the morning, and when I come to the live, we can do that as well. Learning programming like this is much good, unless like fucking idiots. We did do FTP, PR, and write of simple and arrays. Sum equals sum of AR, sorry, AR, 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 man, AR. Isn't AR defined? Right, print of. Oh, we can't have sum equals sum, right? Sum of one, print of sum of one. That's it. Why my thing just gave print of? What is a debug output? What is a debug output? Should I print output from a script as well as any other? Okay. It didn't fix my code and then gave me a 31. Just a minute. Mm, should I not use sum of? It is none. Should I just take away the print and run it? It still says none. Okay, array sum. Operations in array, here we go. Operations in a array. Array traversal, insertion in array, deletion in array, select searching in array. Searching, I've done this. And range of n. Do we have a song? Rescue you. We're gonna take the triplet sum and then try to do something like that. Okay, output. How do we add the array? Okay, sum square root. Find minimum maximum array reverse sort an array. Find duplicates. Priority. Where is subarray with given sum? Sum of elements between indices. Do we have a direct sum of okay current sum equals target sum? How does sum works? Does array has a sum of? Does array as sum of array used with arrays containing numeric elements? It does contain numeric elements. It's okay. If not, what must be done? Okay. Sum equals 0 for I in range of len of array. Please be len of array or just for I in array. Okay. In AR I plus sum equals to sum plus I. All right, now, okay, we need to print it. Print sum, sorry. Print sum. Sorry, it comes out. And sum has to be there, but let's see. Let's see. This says, okay, sum. It can be inside the loop, which means that that is an unwanted return of sum. I thought about it. Alright then. Return of sum. Alright then. And I think return of must be inside the loop, like the definition loop, not the for loop. Alright then, that should do it. So wait a minute, we're not doing algorithms at all. Why are we doing this? Anyways, it's easy. Let's try another one. Okay, it went for word problems. That took a turn. Alright guys, so that's it for the today. If I'm in the mood, I'd come for another one, but definitely not in 19 points to our first problem solving. Should we do it? Should we do it? Compare the triplets. Is that a triplet sum? 5, 6, 7, 3, 16. Sample output. So what the text and Alison Bob each created one problem for Hacker. Hacker reviewer rates the two challenges, awarding points on a scale from 1 to 100. Three categories: problem, character, originality, and difficulty. The rating for Alice's challenge is a triplet of A of 0. Wait a minute. Okay. Alright, the task is to find the comparison points by comparing the VO. Okay, okay. For elements, problems are ordered a point because A of O. For the equal elements A1 and B1, no points are for elements 2. A of 2 is greater than B of 2. Return array is 1 1 with underscore first and Bob score second. Function description. Complete the function. Present the data below compatible as the following parameters. Int of A of 3 as challenge rating. Okay, return challenge rating. Input as 3. Did they take the input for us? They did take the input for us. Everything is there. Output of path is there. So all we need to do is write a comparison. So this is what we have to compare it for easy. Alice receives a point, nobody receives a point if it's equal. I'm not exactly sure why uh, A of 2 into A of B. This is a point comparing the first and second. 28 is greater than 16 and 30 greater than 8. So Alice received 2 points. Okay, 0, 1, 2. Why do you have to complex it like that? It should be like A of I. If it's greater than B of I, Alice receives a point. A of I is equal to B of I, so nobody receives a point. If A of I, okay. For I in A comma B, if A of I is less than B of I, mm, should we, how do we assign a point? What is the output here? Okay, we need to have Alice. Okay, this one I'll get back to it. Get back to it. But pretty much the same, like where we have AFIs, we're gonna compare the index values, and then we need to have a separate list for Alice and and Bob, where if Alice has the more number of points, our thing has to become first, and Bob's list has to come second. So how are we gonna evaluate it? I am not sure because list of A plus list of B gives us elements of A, comma elements of B. We don't want that. We just need to add a string, which means it has to return one that should be appended towards the list. But if we are getting string values or int value, okay, if we is then we can have a C equals 0 clause in here. Like there's a for, right? Instead, we can have C equals 0. So if then C is for Bob, See, Bob, yeah, we can have something like that. Bob equals 0, and if this is the case, Bob has greater rating, then Bob plus equals 1 if A I equals to B of I, then I think it should be equal and equal. Isn't that a comparison operator? How about this? Then Alice plus equals 1. All we have to do is Alice equals 0. If else is the case, else Bob plus equals 0, Alice plus equals 0, and at last we need to compare print of list of Bob, comma Alice. So now I need to return. Uh, uh, okay, it should be integers or slices. All right, we'll get back to this. We do have the ideology behind it. We'll get back to us as soon as possible, like tomorrow. I did not open my camera because I don't have a camera right now, and you're just seeing a black screen. I know that. I'm sorry about that. We'll see tomorrow. We solved like 3 questions today. And in this week, we'll be coding a Discord bot as well. I'm going through the tutorials and which is the best way to do it in 2024 as soon as possible before 2024 gets over. And we'll be trying to have a very good bot with a lot of functions that can help us, monetize a bit. So that's it for the day. Thank you all for sticking around for more than an hour. Happy Monday.